Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a really simple way of creating an online digital magazine using Issuu. So I'm Sarah, and with my channel I talk about entrepreneurship, creating a purpose-led business and all of the tools that you may need to get you there. So if this sounds like something you would like, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video and let me know what you think in the comments. So a few years ago now, I was a designer for a business that created an online monthly magazine subscription. Today I'm going to be showing you the exact steps that I took to be able to publish this magazine online. So this is a great way to create a membership for your customers or to create something extra for your existing members or clients that you already have. So today I'm going to be using Issuu, which is a website where you can create a flipbook from your PDF file. There are other websites that you can use. For example, if you create most of your designs in Canva, there is another one called Flipbook, which you can actually do the same thing. The reason that I'm using Issuu is because a lot of the other subscription services that do this have limits on your publications and how many you can upload to their website. So with Issuu you can upload unlimited public publications, and you can upload one unlisted publication with the free plan, so it doesn't cost you anything. Your publication has to be under 50 megabytes and under 50 pages for the free plan. You can upgrade to the starter plan, which is around $20 a month, and this gives you unlimited publications, although you can only upload 6 per year, but it also gives you the ability to embed your publications into your website. So with this subscription, what you could do is upload 6 to Issuu and then take the other ones off and offer them as a back issue as a PDF. So there's an option there. The next plan up, which is $40 per month, that gives you a little bit more, I believe 12 per year, although you can have unlimited publications uploaded to the site. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, so the first thing you need to do is to go over to issuu.com, that's ISSW, and it will take you to their homepage, and then we just click on Get Started. So it brings up all of the plans that they have. So as you can see, this is if you pay annually. The basic plan is free. So we're going to choose the free plan. So what you would need to do is obviously fill in your details. You can sign up via your email, or you can sign up via social media, Facebook or Google, and then I will see you on the other side. So I already have a Issuu account, so I've just gone into a different web browser and I've logged in, and this is the page you will see. So all of your publications are stored here. That's how you can access your published ones, your schedules and all of your drafts. Sales. Now this is a really good thing about Issuu. You can actually sell your publications on Issuu's marketplace as an extra revenue stream to your membership, for example. So I'm going to go to home, and it will bring up the add a file here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Canva and I'm going to find my magazine. Now the original magazine I did was in InDesign. So just to make you aware that if you are using InDesign, you would need to download it as separate pages, not as spreads. So I'm just going to go and find my magazine that I created. Right, so I've found the magazine. I'm just waiting for it to upload because it is going a little bit slow. So like I said, originally I did this in InDesign. So I'm going to download this now. I'm actually going to not download all of it because it only allows 50 pages on the free publication. So what we need to do is download this as a PDF, and it's a standard PDF. So I'm going to download this now. And then we're going to come out of Canva and
back into here, so we can actually just drag and drop this straight in, or you can upload your file here and choose obviously from your file. So I'm going to drag this into here, and I'm just going to let Issuu automatically upload that, and it will show you it as a flipbook, and we'll have a look. And there we have it, our magazine. So if we have a look at what it looks like, you can see it's done nicely as a flipbook. And I have blurred out some of the recognisable faces because this was actually a magazine with real people in it. So as you can see, that looks really nice. And let's come out of there. So what we need to do now is just click on publish now. Need to add a title. So we add a title, test magazine. So I want to keep this as unlisted, so I just click on unlisted at the bottom, and then we need to go and publish, confirm that you have the rights, and then it will give you the link there. So what we need to do is obviously copy that link and paste it into your website or wherever you obviously you have your membership or your customers. If they're buying from you, you would then be able to give them the link to view this on Issuu. So it gives you some options here, so you can share your publication on social media. Obviously that's if you was offering it for free. You can also embed it on your website, so you could just literally click here to get the embed code, and you can actually go through and it will show you exactly what it will look like on your website. So you can paste your logo in here, the background image, and whether it's double pages or single pages. To remove the branding, obviously you would need to upgrade to a paid subscription, and then obviously you can choose to start on page 1, etc., and that would just integrate into your website. So we'll go back here, and here's your publication. So it's actually under review at the moment. So it's currently under review. The publication is under review and is currently not listed on Issuu. If it's still, so it takes, it can take a couple of hours just for this to go through. So there you have it. That's how you create a publication or a magazine on Flipbook and to be able to sell that as a membership. One of the places that I use to sell memberships is a place called PayHip, and I will just quickly, I don't know if you remember from a previous video, which I will link down below, I went through how you can create memberships, sell digital products, all different things on PayHip. So you can literally just add it as a membership on here, add new product, and then you would just use that link that it gave you to paste it in to a document as a membership. So you could go through it here. I won't go through that in this particular video because I just wanted to show you how you can publish your online magazine using Issuu. I will drop the details below as well to PayHip, so you can have those in the description box. And that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this useful. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And if you have, please subscribe to my channel and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you in another video. Thank you.